Yeah, they want to hear me bitching every 10 seconds about where the hell you guys are.
Exactly.
No, seriously, I turn around, I can't see you guys. I'm like, okay, where the hell are you?
In front of the fucking pack, man. The white dude's in the front. The white dude's in the front. This is the first.
Racist.
Motherfucker, you ain't in the front.
I thought it was only Bbrrr though, gas station.
Freaking, you're about to get slipstream, Corey. Slipstream!
You fucking slept me, bro? Come here.
No, man, I'm sorry.
I just
I'm
want to
so
show you
sorry.
something.
No, I'm so sorry, Corey. Don't shoot. Shit.
Oh!
I just want to show you something. Come here, Will. I just want to show you something.
Corey, no.
Corey, you're not black. Only black people can bring guns to a race.
Oh, look, a penny.
Okay.
Oh shit, I tripped. Guys,
Well, let's shoot the gas station.
we must. Oh, Wilson.
Why is it going up? What kind of... It's defying gravity.
Every time you shoot your longhorn, I think it explodes because it's so loud. Okay, stop, please, guys, please.
We gotta explode.
This is clearly not working.
Clearly my
Williams
butthole.
fans are gonna be disappointed.
Oh my god!
Freaking, who's that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get out.
Lost my
Yeah,
pistol.
let's-
I gotta reload my.
I mean,
Can you, guys, wait, please.
Just reload while running, dude.
Yeah, but I can't see shit. Alright, there you go.
Let me reload my mouse.
Holy
Oh my god!
I wasn't ready, damn it.
When I stop recording.
Exactly.
When I stop recording, blow that shit up.
I was kind of close.
Holy shit!
Told you guys have to
Freaking
get up
stop
close.
recording when you
Every
blow it
gas station, every gas station.
There should be like a tiny mini gas station up ahead.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll have it like actually this time.
Let's not shoot it.
But it's like only one tank, so
But does it explode?
I don't know. I
Let's see
remember I
how many
tried.
zombies.
Let's find out. You can just run away.
There it is. Woohoo.
Don't destroy it right now. Kind of.
See how small it is? Look, it's a teeny tiny one.
Okay, I'm recording now. Yeah, we're shooting this gas thing.
You missed every single shot.
I'm not gonna use that pistol ever again.
Oh shit, man.
Oh, that made a tiny explosion.
DayZ for you. Goodbye.
Oh yeah!
Okay, let's go.
That was a teeny tiny explosion.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Why is there a freaking washing machine randomly in the back of this truck?
Why not? Is there some sort of huge background noise? Or is it something going on near one of you?
No.
Like a fire or something? Oh, it's coming from you.
Me?
Yeah. When you talk, it isn't there.
What does it sound like? A buzz?
No. Oh, it's a zombie. So, did he see?
It's aggroed, it's aggroed.
He didn't
Somebody
even see you.
shit. Why does it walk so freaking fast?
Oh my god. Ian, he didn't even see you. He just ran
I know.
past. That's wow. You like
It's probably because William smells.
No, that freaking thing does, you know, freaking Usain Bolt the zombie.
a hat. Oh my god, there's another hat. A hat. A hat.
Why do you get so freaking, like, freaking happy in the pants when you see a goddamn hat?
Cause it's a hat.